everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marie Francois and today we will be making okra stew, which is sauce kalalou in Creole. We do have our okra kalalou ready. Chopped tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, chopped onions, and we do have our carrots here and all the other ingredients. All right, let's get cooking. All right, so we're going to pour our okra here in our Dutch oven pot. So this is the easiest way for me to do it while my meat is getting brown. So I get my okra ready. I add my tomatoes, chopped tomatoes. Could be one or two plum tomatoes. If you don't like tomatoes, you don't have to add it. Then I add my tomato paste. So it's about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. All right, so this is my dry ingredients here. So this is just garlic powder, a little bit of paprika, and onion powder. And I reserved some of the meat sauce. I took some of that and I'm going to pour that over my okra, over my kalalou. All right. And I do have a little bit of, this is garlic paste and ginger paste. And I have my oil there too, which is 2 tablespoons of, could be olive oil or whichever you have. So now I add all of these and I'm putting my bouquet. It's made out of fresh thyme and parsley. So I put that here as well. And what I do, I put it on medium heat and I cover it for now. All right? All right, as you can see, if you can bring the camera a little bit closer, our okra is cooking very well. We will leave it and to simmer for another 5 minutes before we add our carrots and the hot water. All right, now let me show you the meat. I'm using goat meat today, but you can use any type of meat. I already browned my meat, so it's almost ready. If you want to see how and learn how to brown your meat, go ahead and watch my video, the oxtail video, and you're gonna see all the steps how to brown the meat. But this meat, it's almost done. It's already brown. All right, so I'll see you in a little bit. All right, so our 5 minutes is over. We're going to shake the okra. Remember, do not use a spoon. You don't want to smash your okra. Now we can add the carrots. And we're going to add our hot water. We'll say like 2 cups, okay? And cover it up again and let it simmer for another, I would say 7 to 10 minutes, and we'll check it. All right, so let's check our okra. It should be good. So we're going to add it to our meat, okay? Then I turn that off, shake it a little bit more. Can you see it? Let's bring the camera closer. Look how beautiful it is. We don't want our okra to overcook, so we're going to add it to the meat now. All right, just pour it. We got some carrots sticking in the bottom. Once it is, add it to the meat. Try to shake it. Remember, do not use a spoon. Otherwise, you're going to smash your okra. So once it's, let's bring the camera closer so you can see the mixture. I'm going to add 1 more cup of hot water. Remember, your water has to be hot. And then we cover and let it simmer for 10 minutes and we'll come and taste it. All right, let's check our stew. It's looking good, it's smelling good. So now we can add our hot peppers. Those are hot, so we didn't want to add them too early. So this is the right time to add them. So let's taste it to make sure, you know, it has flavor. If it needs more salt, then we'll add a little bit of salt. We're going to add a little bit of salt. I would say like 1 teaspoon of salt. All right, so we already added our hot sauce. The pepper is in, and we add a little bit of salt. So let's cover it for another 5 minutes and our stew should be good to go. All right, so this is our okra stew. It's all done, all cooked. As you can see, we managed not to smash our okra. We didn't use the spoon to stir it. We shook it. So that's how you keep this whole. So remember that. Now, if you want to add some onions, you can go ahead and do that just for decoration. If you want to add them before, you are welcome to do that as well. So all right, just make it look pretty. All right, so thank you for cooking with me today. If you want to see more videos like this, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you the next time. All right, bon appétit.